So before showing all your data type that we're gonna have in C#, C++, Java, and Python, let's agree how we're gonna use data type for flowchart, flow diagram, and pseudocode. So for flowchart, we are not going to take so much detail of what kind of data we are gonna process. For example, we would make a scene like this: num equal to num1 plus num2, and then we go down and we show the output result is num. So here, when I will show you this type of flowchart, the flowchart, I'm not gonna specify what is the type of variable, because the idea of this is to make it simple. Then we go and translate to pseudocode, and we're gonna also try not to differentiate the type of variable, but that depends of you. If you want to differentiate, so we will differentiate. So I will try both. I will try to say that integer of num1, num2, and n. So now that we agree on this, I will show you the type of variable for each of the languages.